The Birds Get Their Colours by LA26. This is the story of how the birds got their colours. Long ago, in the dream time, when the land and animals were being made, all the birds are black, all one colour till. One day a little dove flew around looking for food. He flew down to the ground to catch a big juicy grub. But instead he landed right on a sharp stick. It pierced his little foot and made him very sick. For days he lay on the ground in pain. His foot swelled up. He was dying. All his mates gathered around to see what they could do, all except Crow. He just wandered around with his hands behind his back. Suddenly, the parrot rushed forward and with her sharp beak burst the dove's swollen foot. Colours spread out all over the parrot. Red and green and blue ran down the chest, wings and tail. It splattered out all over the other birds. Some got red, some blue, some brown, some blue, some yellow. Some got spots, some got stripes, all got colours. All except Crow, who was standing away from the others. Crow got no colour at all. So that's how the birds got their colours. And as for the dove, he soon got better, thanks to the parrot, and was able to fly away.